Tractor time with Tim from the cemetery today.
Odd.
I don't have a big enough auger to bury anyone today, but what are we gonna do, Brian?
Well, we're gonna set a couple posts for the gates that we have to put up here.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna gate this off so people can't drive back here.
Yeah, it's unfortunate we have to do that, but this back corner back here kind of sets down over a hill. And what we've had through the years, if people come back and they dump things in there, and then vandalism and drugs and just stuff that shouldn't go on back here.
Ne'er-do-wells.
Yeah. Ne'er-do-wells?
You ever heard that?
No.
Ne'er-do-wells.
No.
Never-do-wells.
Oh, okay.
Ne'er-do-wells.
Ne'er-do-wells.
I don't know. That's what my grandparents or something would call youngsters that weren't behaving properly.
Weren't behaving properly. Well, we've had some of that, and it's unfortunate that we have to do this, but it's come to that point where we need to put these gates up here, and so that's what we're going to do.
Okay. Johnny 5 doesn't hardly have enough hydraulic power for this, so it'll be interesting to see how it works, but we have drilled a couple holes with it before, so we'll give it a try.
Okay.
Now it should hang vertical, so there shouldn't be any problem on that.
Back up, Tim.
I can't see where he is.
Back up some more, Tim.
Oh.
I really had trouble seeing the angle from that direction. I could see left to right, but I couldn't see front to back. This post digger is from RhinoAg, RhinoAg.com. You can get one from your local RhinoAg dealer. It requires a good bit of hydraulics, or at least a lot for a tractor. I've got probably 12 gallons per minute. I suspect they recommend something in the 15 range. In the Deere lineup, I wouldn't recommend anything smaller than a 5E. In the Kubota, probably an MX. And physically, it'll fit anything that's got a skid steer quick attach.
I'm going to turn my camera system on here so I can see a little bit better.
This tractor could spin it faster if I'd give it more throttle, but I'm actually quite happy with the speed we're going. I kind of like it going slowly. I push a little bit down with the loader, and then I wait until you can feel the pressure come off of it, and then I let it spin constantly there without going down at all for just a moment to make sure that the auger's free and that I would be able to pick it up.
Now I can see the hole. Did he say come backwards? See if we can pull it up now.
a lot of powder in it, we can scoop it out.
Let me see if I can do a little better. That's good enough?
Good enough, yeah.
Okay.
That's real loose powder in there, it'd be nothing, scoop it out. So there's
Yeah.
just not that much in there. We're good.
Okay, I can get some more out if you.
Oh, we're good.
Okay. Now my front third function is actually a diverter. So I have to hold the button down while I push the joystick to the right to make it operate. It makes it a little bit awkward. Now, the advantage of this digger is that it's I can turn it backwards if I get into a bind. As I said, I don't really have a lot of hydraulic flow, so you see it's really turning slowly. I'm not really concerned about that. I'm not in any hurry here, and I could speed the tractor up to make it turn faster. So, I'm not really concerned about that at this point. I do pause ever so often, like I am here, and that pause makes it certain that I've got all loose dirt above the auger. May get into the fence over there on my left front side. We'll see how that goes. We'll probably decide it's deep enough before I do that. Tell, but I'm not seeing that I'm into the fence. He says it's good. Let's see if I can lift it up. Lift it up. I'll back up a little bit. And then I'll spin it backwards.
Perfect.
You want me to go down again? You want me to go down again? No more down again.
I think that one had just a little more moisture in it. held better. That's pretty clean, honestly.
Yeah, that's not too bad. That's not too
He's
bad.
gonna,
It's kind of a red clay, which
Yeah.
I'm not used to seeing here in this region.
yeah.
Usually we see a black soil on top, but this is a little bit of a ridge here where the cemetery is, and even then it's not as brown as it normally is in this area.
I'm surprised that we didn't hit sand when we built our home across there. We hit a big vein of masonry sand.
Yeah.
It was real,
Now, having said that, it was pretty soft. I didn't even get off the idle to
yeah. It
drill
sure saved
this.
a lot of man hours with the,
Yeah, I don't think I'd want to do it by hand either. Hey, Brian, I didn't have a 12-inch auger, so you went and rented the auger to fit this.
Yeah.
What'd that cost?
$30.
And was that like a 4-hour?
Yeah, he just $30 for
However long.
however long, yeah. So it was well worth that. So,
Yeah, I think that's probably right. And then by renting it, you don't have to have them all the time. I don't have every size. I have, I think, 3 different sizes, and they never turn out to be the right ones. So it's nice to be able to rent just the auger portion. Well, folks, this was pretty simple, and I guess it's simple when you have the right equipment.
it does help.
This is probably not the optimal machine for this. This is probably meant for a skid steer, most likely. And if using on a tractor, a little bit bigger one even yet would probably be nice. I don't know that I could pick it up high enough with the 3 Series to do this or not, but it worked fine.
Yeah, that was real smooth.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on
Tractor Time with Tim.
People will flee to caves in the rocks and to holes in the ground from the fearful presence of the Lord and the splendor of his majesty when he rises to shake the earth.